There's masses to see. I mean, not just artisan producers, but lots of buyers there. So it's a good place to meet up. If you have a stall there, you obviously want to meet the right type of people who are going to buy from you. And they do get some really good buyers. All the main players are there. Some of the big farm shops and farmers markets and obviously supermarkets. So you want to have those good relationships. You want to see people and look them in the eye. That's key. And to pique their interest, but also it's a great opportunity for you to go out and grab them by the throat and just say, this is great produce, this is a little bit about us, this is how it might work for your business. So I think it's one of those where you want to meet good quality sellers and buyers, and this is a show where there are a lot of producers and it gives you a really good feel about what's happening, what the trends are, but also what you can sign up for and make sure that you make it your own. And also what's marvellous is with the forums, I mean Jay Rayner's going to be there. It's a great opportunity to meet all the dragons and try and sell your wares to them as well, and to find out what people in the industry think. You know, anything you can do to improve your product as well. Ask them, you know, this is what we've got, is there anything that you think would make it better? You know, flatter a buyer. You know, not everyone likes their egos flattering, but also it's a great opportunity to find out how they think that your product could be made even better, or maybe it's very good, in which case, please will you buy it, and this is why you should. As a buyer, it's a great opportunity because some of these producers, big and small, but you think, gosh, that's innovative, I can't afford not to stop that, that's such a good idea, or that would be a really good idea if they did this to it. And any producer who's exhibiting their worth of salt will take that on board and listen. Be quite disciplined if you're, say, as a buyer, the people you know you want to see beforehand, and then go through the programme beforehand and think, right, they're the ones, and then go and have a look round. But also as a producer, you need to be there because you've got to meet the buyers, you've got to meet the people who are going to be selling your product. And also listen to them. It's not just about you telling them about how good your product is, it's about listening for what they're after. So go out there and embrace it. It's a great show. The Fine Food Show North, it's a great show, there's masses going on. In fact, you can't afford not to be there, so get there.